Hey there, the Indian artist here. Today we are going to do some unboxing. As you can see the title, we have got the Halpert Goldenface Funko Pop. This pop is actually going to come out in late August, but I got my hands on one. If you guys want it, drop a comment below. I'll put the link in the description. So here's the box. It's actually in pretty good condition, and this is this side. Some common other pops. I also have the prison mic, Hot Topic exclusive. It comes with the special edition sticker instead of Target one. I must say the detailing is pretty well done. Here he have his little golden gun and a puck in the other hand, which is actually a bomb. And this is from the scene where they create the movie Threat Level Midnight. It's not a bobblehead, it's a normal one, but still. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed for more videos. Signing off.